Let's go explore the mountains, buddy.
Yeah, sounds like an adventure. Let's do it.
Ready to climb to the mountain top?
Absolutely. It'll be so exciting up there.
Look at those towering peaks, so majestic.
Can't wait to see the view from above.
Let's race to the summit. Ready, set, go.
You're on. I'll catch up. Just wait.
We need to win.
Well, then you need to play well. Let's show a good result.
How did they think that was okay to even put it in the game? Wow! Beautiful!
The team needs to play more carefully. Understood?
We need to be more defensive.
Hello! Hello there.
Hey, thanks for watching this video to the end.
If you liked it, put a like and subscribe to the channel.
And we should get going. Bye-bye.